Hi, I'm Aurora from Florence in Italy. In these 3 months I grew up not only as a person but also as a student. Attending the courses of Bridge Education, I had the opportunity to express my view on education and teaching. I've always loved doing theater and theatrical improvisation. In creative skills course, I learned to use theatrical techniques with children. I learned to use my body to produce sounds and to tell a story without words but using gestures. Toolbox has changed the way I consider physical education. The movement should not be taught as a school subject, but as a way of life inside and outside the school. I understood that play is essential for the growth of children, and that there is a difference between risky and dangerous play. I followed the lesson that will be useful for my future as a teacher. In Italy, I take courses very interesting but very theoretical. In this month, I felt welcome and included in the university, and I created a group of students. In Bridge Education, students are all Erasmus, and that's why I had the opportunity to meet European and not European cultures. Thanks to comparing education, I could compare the Italian educational system with the educational system of the other students, and it was really very interesting. The service that Arte Verde offers are good, and during these months I worked on, for example, the gym classes. Cheap and fun. Ghent offers many discounts for students, and Arte Verde also organizes events in which I participated and I enjoyed a lot. I grew up as a person because I understood that being on self is the key to all relationships. In these months I have been the real Aurora, and the people and professors have known and appreciated me for what I really am. I think that as a teacher, being on self is really important. Children understand immediately if you are pretending to them. Bridge Education gives you the opportunity to do teaching practice and in a Belgian school, prepare lessons for the children and be evaluated by a university tutor and the teacher of your class. Making this kind of experience is helping me a lot to improve my way of organizing activities for children. The children I teach don't speak my own language, so to take myself understood by them, I have to use my body and my expression more. I think it's really important for a teacher to know how to use expressiveness well and to capture children's attention. In conclusion, I would like to say to those who read, the Erasmus is really an experience that helps you to grow both as a person and as a student. Get in touch with so many different realities and have the opportunity to take something from each of them.